How to manually set the date and time ahead or behind on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, swipe up to go down and tap on General. Next, we go down and tap on Date and Time. In here, tap on Set Automatically. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off. So tap on that to switch it off. And then in here, you can tap on the date. You can set the date ahead or behind. And you can also choose the time down here as well. So tap on the time button at the bottom. And here, let's say if you like your clock to be 10 minutes ahead, you can then increase it to 10 minutes ahead, or you can set it behind time. That is totally up to you. So here I can set it to that time and then tap on the back key to go back. And you can see now the time is a little bit ahead of time. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.